Hello children, welcome to Learn with Fun. Today we are going to learn about living things and non-living things. Children, in our daily life we see many things around us. Some are living things while some are non-living things. Things that have life are living things like human beings, animals and plants. Things that do not have life are non-living things such as umbrella, basket, fire engine and many more. Living things can move, can grow, they need food and water, they can breathe and can reproduce. While non-living things cannot move, cannot grow, cannot breathe and cannot reproduce, and also they do not need food and water. Living things can move. Human beings move using their legs. Animals also use their legs to move. Animals without legs crawl, slide or swim using their body. Plants also show some movement, like the sunflower follows the direction of the sun. Living things grow. A baby grows into a child, it then grows into a man. A calf grows into a cow. A seed grows into a plant which then grows into a huge tree. Living things need food and water. Human beings depend upon plants and animals for their food. Plants make their own food using water, air and sunlight. Animals depend upon plants or other animals for their food. Living things can breathe. Human beings and animals breathe in fresh air using their lungs. Plants inhale carbon dioxide from the surrounding. Living things can reproduce. Reproduction is the process in which a living thing gives birth to a young one of its own kind. A woman gives birth to a baby. A cat gives birth to a kitten. Birds lay eggs from which young ones come out and slowly grow into adults. Non-living things. Man-made things like house, cup, basket, chair, wall, truck and many more are non-living things. Some of the natural things are also non-living things such as sun, moon, stars and rocks are non-living things. Children, here ends today's session. If you are enjoying watching videos on our channel, do like, share, comment on our videos and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel Learn with Fun. Thank you.